There's a big worry for Bengaluru amid what seems to be very hot days ahead. Severe water crisis and now the drying lakes. Out of nearly 800 lakes in BBMP and Bengaluru urban district limits, 125 had dried up, which is roughly around 15% of water bodies drying up. Not just that, 25 more lakes are almost on the brink. Out of the 125 that have dried up, 100 are in Bengaluru urban district and 25 in BBMP limits. In fact, some lake beds are now being used as cricket pitches. Experts reportedly say that only a good spell of rainfall in the next 2 weeks could save lakes in Bengaluru city. There is fear over how this could negatively impact groundwater. Only 6 lakes in Bengaluru urban district are filled to the brim and 19 are 50 to 90% full. A city with 1.2 crore people that largely depend on containers for water supplies in the outskirts. And I'm being joined by my colleague Neha at this point. Neha, tell us, where are you and what are the scenes around you?
Well, Sneha, Bengaluru once that was called the Garden City, in fact, had several lakes that it could boast about. But unfortunately, owing to the severe heat wave that the city has been witnessing and owing to, of course, the general lackadaisical attitude, of course, to try and maintain the lakes by several governments over the years has led to the situation of many lakes today drying up completely. In fact, we are bringing you this report today from the Yellenhalli Lake, which has been one of the lakes that's dried up. This is what the BBMP, of course, tells us in a list of lakes that they've noted as completely dried up. It's rather unfortunate, of course, the people around this area earlier did, of course, go on to mention that this was a lake that was full to the brim at one point. And as the heat, of course, continued in the city, we've only been seeing this lake, in fact, the water levels depleting completely. And even what you see right now, is just the bare minimum. Another 2 days, in fact, and possibly this too would be gone. What we're, of course, picking up right now is that, Sneha, the biggest cause of the water crisis in the city today that several water experts have pointed to is the fact that lakes have dried up. The groundwater level, of course, has dipped completely. Borewells aren't being able to be recharged, and which is what has led to the water crisis. Not on one occasion, but in fact, we've heard the government saying on multiple occasions that dried up borewells is the main cause of the water crisis in the city. Well, even as we're bringing you this report right now, it seems like the city, of course, is being blessed with light showers today. And hopefully, of course, if these showers continue, then we'd likely be able to see these lakes being filled up and rejuvenated again.
Neha, such an important point you're making, but the fact that rain seems to be just one of those very erratic phenomena across India for that matter. Neha, thank you for bringing us that report from where you are. But